In this video, I will show you how to get Microsoft Word for free. This should be a relatively quick and easy process, but before we do continue, please consider leaving that like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get Microsoft Word for free, the first thing we're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to office.com. Now, what it's going to do is take you across to a page like this, which says, "Welcome to the Microsoft 365 Copilot app." So Microsoft 365 Copilot app is the new name for Microsoft Office. So in addition to Microsoft Word, you're also going to get things like Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, and also you're going to get the Copilot app and things like that. Now, if you look on here, you can see towards the top, we've got the sign in and the get button. But if you look underneath, you can see there's a link here, which says sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. So if you want to get this for free, just simply go ahead and click the sign up link here. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one just by clicking the link here. So what you want to do is sign in with an existing Microsoft account, or alternatively, click this link and just go through the quick steps to create an account. Once you've done that and you're logged in, you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is come over to the left-hand side, and on this menu, you want to click onto subscriptions. Now, once you've done that, you're going to see at the top here, it says Microsoft 365 is free to start. However, when we click onto the blue button, it's going to ask you to sign up for a paid plan. Now, to get Microsoft Word for free, if you actually scroll down on this page, you can see here it says free services from Microsoft. Now, what you want to do is click here where it says Microsoft 365 for the web. And that's going to redirect you back here. All you want to do now is click onto the blue sign in button. And once you've signed in, it should take you onto 365. So you can see we're here. If we come over to the left hand side, you can see we got all these different apps. So we got Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and of course we can use any of these absolutely free. So I can click onto Word, for example, click onto blank document. What that's going to do is load up a blank document, and what we can do is start using Microsoft Word absolutely free. As you can see, it works fine. It's just a web-based version. Now at the top, you can see you have got the option to buy Microsoft 365 as well. If you do choose to buy it, what it's going to do is install the apps onto your PC. So the difference between the free version and the paid version is the free version is a web-based version, as you can see like I'm using here. If you do choose to buy Microsoft 365, then of course you would have the app installed on your PC like I've got here. So that is how to get Microsoft Word for free. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.